Ever wondered what it's like to have a dash cam that never misses a moment? Not just in front of you, but inside the cabin and behind your vehicle too? Imagine capturing crystal clear 4K video from 3 angles simultaneously, day or night, rain or shine. Today we're diving deep into the Vantrue N4 Pro S 4K 3-channel dash cam, a device that promises to raise the bar for automotive safety and security. Stick around because I'll break down everything you need to know before deciding if this setup's right for your ride. Hi there, I'm Brian from The Inspect Aspect. On the channel, we focus on thorough, no-nonsense reviews of gadgets that impact your everyday safety and convenience. The Vantrue N4 Pro S is one of the industry's first true 3-channel dash cams to feature all 3 cameras equipped with the latest STARVIS 2 sensors, including a stunning 4K front camera, a 2.5K rear camera, and a full cabin view. We'll be weighing its strengths and weaknesses so you get an honest perspective on this tech-forward device. Triple STARVIS 2, sensor setup for exceptional image clarity. The Vantrue N4 Pro S uses STARVIS 2 technology across all 3 cameras, the front, rear, and inside cabin. This means outstanding low-light and nighttime recording, whether it's capturing a license plate from a distance, subtle interior details, or the road behind you. Coupled with adaptive HDR and Vantrue's exclusive PlatePix tech, the dash cam delivers cinematic-grade footage, practically doubling license plate recognition accuracy in challenging lighting conditions. Flexible recording modes with advanced cooling. You can switch between recording all 3 channels simultaneously or opt for front and rear only mode to extend recording time and reduce heat by about 30%. This is especially useful if you don't need continuous cabin monitoring, but want maximum recording duration. It's a thoughtful design that balances performance and thermal management, keeping the camera cooler and potentially prolonging its lifespan. Sheer robust parking mode with buffered event capture. The N4 Pro S supports 24-hour parking surveillance through motion detection and impact-triggered recording. Video buffers capture 10 seconds before and 30 seconds after an event, ensuring you don't miss critical moments like hit and runs or vandalism while parked. This feature gives you peace of mind when leaving your vehicle unattended, even if paired with a hard-wiring kit for full parking mode functionality. Comprehensive GPS and smart connectivity. Built-in GPS logs your route, speed, altitude, and travel statistics that can be quickly turned into an insurance-friendly PDF report. The integrated 5 GHz Wi-Fi makes connecting to the Vantrue mobile app seamless, so you can instantly access and share GPS-tagged videos or install firmware updates in just 15 seconds. It's a smart system designed to make your footage easily accessible and organized. Complex setup could trip up first-time users. The triple camera arrangement requires careful cable management. The rear camera must be plugged into the dedicated rear port on the front unit, and the power cable needs to connect to the mount port. Incorrect connections will prevent the device from turning on, and the magnetic sliding bracket, while convenient, might not fully compensate for the wiring hassle, especially if you want a neat installation without professional help. No compatibility with PD fast charging protocols. The Vantrue N4 Pro S must be powered with the supplied charger or Vantrue-specific cables. If you're used to modern PD fast chargers in your vehicle, this limitation could create some inconvenience, risking damage or non-operation if incompatible cables are used. It's a quirk that requires awareness when choosing car power accessories. Hefty storage requirements for maximum performance. To truly leverage its capabilities, especially recording in 4K front and 2.5K rear simultaneously, the unit supports up to a 1 TB micro SD card, sold separately. High-capacity cards are necessary to avoid constant overwriting, but large storage cards can be expensive and may take time to manage, particularly if you plan on keeping footage for extended periods or operating in low bitrate modes for long-term parking. Parking mode requires additional hardware for full functionality. While the 24-hour parking mode is a big plus, it's important to note it needs a hard wiring kit sold separately to fully enable this feature. For someone wanting a more straightforward out-of-the-box experience, this adds an extra step in cost to get the most from the camera's surveillance features. Overall, the Vantrue N4 Pro S 4K 3-channel Dash Cam strikes an impressive balance between cutting-edge camera technology and practical features that matter to drivers, families, and professionals alike. Its triple STARVIS 2 sensors produce detailed, reliable footage that excels even in difficult lighting, and its smart design choices around cooling and connectivity add user-friendly touches that enhance everyday use. However, a steeper learning curve for installation, power compatibility quirks, and dependence on additional accessories for full parking features hold it back from being a perfect plug-and-play companion. On the inspect aspect scale, I'm giving it a 9.1 out of 10, a high score that reflects its near top-tier performance while acknowledging the minor trade-offs impacting ease of use. If comprehensive coverage and superior video quality are your priorities, this dash cam is absolutely worth considering. Don't forget to check the link on your screen and in the description below for current deals and pricing options to get the best value. Thanks for watching, and if you found this review helpful, please like and subscribe for more trusted insights here on the Inspect Aspect.